There's been a lot of talk about trouble in paradise for Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and now some new details have emerged that are really causing a stir. Apparently, sources close to the couple are saying that Harry has offered Meghan a whopping $80 million as part of a potential divorce settlement. It seems his main concern is keeping things private and making sure their kids, Archie and Lilibet, are okay. Ever since Harry and Meghan decided to step back from their royal roles in 2020, things haven't been easy. Even though they initially seemed like a strong team facing all the criticism and changes together, it looks like their personal and professional lives have started pulling them apart. Some people who watch these things closely think that Meghan's big ambitions in Hollywood and her desire to be a major voice in social and political issues might have clashed with Harry's wishes for a quieter life, away from the constant media attention. It's being said that Harry is the one who's really pushing for a possible separation. The huge $80 million offer would include a lump sum payment, plus a fund specifically for Archie and Lilibet. This fund would cover things like their schooling and other important needs as they grow up. The idea is to avoid a messy, drawn-out legal battle and media circus, like the ones we've seen with other royal divorces, like Prince Charles and Princess Diana. If they do actually divorce, it's going to be a huge deal, not just for them personally, but also for the whole British royal family. Even though Harry and Meghan aren't working royals anymore, they're still very much in the public eye, and what happens in their personal lives definitely affects how people see the monarchy. Plus, a split would probably make things complicated when it comes to who has custody of the kids and how they'll be raised between the UK and the US. Right now, Harry and Meghan aren't saying anything publicly, which leaves everyone with more questions than answers. But if these rumors are true, Harry offering such a massive amount of money could mean he's really serious about trying to end things peacefully and protect his children from a huge media frenzy. On the other hand, Meghan has shown that she's perfectly capable of doing her own thing and doesn't depend on her connection to the royal family. She's got several projects going on, including deals with Spotify and Netflix, which proves she's an independent woman. It's a tricky situation all around. It sounds like there were some fundamental differences in what they wanted out of life, and that's put a strain on their relationship. Harry seems to be prioritizing his children's well-being and trying to avoid a public spectacle, which is understandable. And Meghan, having established herself as a successful businesswoman, is likely not going to back down from her own goals. It's a sad situation for any family to go through, especially one that lives so much of their lives in the public eye. The huge sum of money being discussed just highlights the immense pressure and scrutiny they face. It's not just about ending a marriage, it's about managing a global media event while trying to protect their young children. The silence from the couple only fuels speculation, but ultimately, what happens between them is a personal matter, even if it plays out on a very public stage. The reported offer of $80 million also underscores the complexities of their financial situation, which is intertwined with their royal past and their independent ventures. It's a lot to navigate, and it remains to be seen how they'll ultimately resolve things.